Welcome to the RV Prepper. Whenever you get an RV, whether it's a motorhome, travel trailer, truck camper, you're going to have to do tons of modifications. Our motorhome came with a little dinky TV, not very good resolution. So we upgraded the TV, and I had to move the bracket down 2 inches. So the former holes there. So I took it apart, moved it down 2 inches. Make sure you use self-tapping screws and a impact driver. That'll drill them right in without you having to put a hole in first. And what do we end up with? A nice